So a quick tutorial just to show you how to make your own GIFs for your bots. So this is in Canva. I'll just reduce the window size so you can see it all. So what you want to do is you just drag that out. You have all these images here, and if I want to duplicate that, I just duplicate it. If I want to trash it, I just trash it. So this one here is me moving around the bot, and all you do is just drag it to the next place and then duplicate it and drag it back. I'll just go undo, undo, so I don't mess up my sequence. And so you just end up with a bunch of images like this, and you go down the page, and then you can upload things like, so my uploads, I've got that as an image, I've got that as an image. So there will be my uploads. So these are all the things I've got uploaded. There they are there. So, and then you just drag them on and you put them how you want it. So I've got my head moving around, and then the next one I have it there and there and there, and I just spin it. Okay. And then what you end up with is you put them all in a folder. So then they all end up in a folder like this, and all you do is you name them. See, I've used letters to name them to get them in the order I want. And then if I want that one to last a little bit longer, I just duplicate it. So that one there, I would just Control C, and then I just go Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, and then I can get rid of them with Control Z. And so if you want them to last longer, just make more copies of the same image. If that jumps too much going from there to there or whatever, create a couple to go in between, and then you end up with this all here. And then when you play it, it should look something like this. So I'll just rewind it. Okay, now how do you convert these into a Giphy? What you do is you just search Giphy Maker there, and you click on that, and then here you click on this, and then you just control all of those, open, and that uploads them all. You can drag them around, you can delete certain ones if you want, and then what you do down here is you adjust the timing. So if you want it really quick, and it just previews up there. Okay, and if you want it even faster, I know that's probably 0.1's the fastest. And if you decide that that bit there is too long, just delete one of them. Just go like, get rid of a few, and then that bit there will last way less. And same with this one. And then once you finish in this screen, you just go continue to decorate, and you can add stickers, and you can add captions like things like that, change the color, all those sorts of things. The other thing that I really like is they've got these filters here, and so if you're after a certain effect, like for example, the one that I like is the bad TV and the glitch one. Okay, so something like that, or this one here, because that's going to have quite a sort of technology feel to it. And then you just go continue to upload. You don't need to enter anything there. You can if you want people to find it. So you could like enter, say, bots, and then you go upload to Giphy, and it says, do you agree to terms of service? You go yes, and then it's uploaded to Giphy, and then you'll get the links that you can download it and put it wherever you want in your bots.